Already replaced. See Atlas modern line. Landing door. Let's go to 20. With the operators replaced on this one. I don't know if it's there. There's another one says CEO for rooftop. This one says 20. Idea for service scan. Has a little vibration. Mirror, very good lighting, and just the massive fans, typical car type ones that Otis using a lot. Other elevated mods, handrail, doors, fixtures, Otis. What a solution. ISC for service, attendant, buttons, SS. Let's go to 20 again. The speed is quite good. The door opens, very scratched. Acceleration feels a little janky. Soundly, the motor is very quiet, and there's the fan over it. Man, would have loved to see these when they were original. Hopefully another one in the way. One issue when they were original is that since it's just only one apartment per floor, these had Atlas code. So we probably wouldn't get to 20 at best 9, which is the floor I'm staying at, but yeah, but know why on this one. Change. No, this one doesn't have that issue. But in both, in this car and the other one, I have a little bit of an issue on the down one. It starts flickering like crazy. Otis. Atlas Ômega from 1990, modded by Otis with flex drive, probably around 2014, 15. Opens, R9, TV2 interlock. Ooh. Atlas FF2 interlock. Maybe tenant service, advanced serviced. There's the cab one more time.